Hello and welcome to Kriss' Retro Corner, and thanks for joining me for this quick vid. Something came through the post, addressed as a Retro Corner. Let's find out what it is. There we go. A Mercury benchtop soldering iron holder. And this comes courtesy of my good friend Kriston Abbott. I've known Kriston since childhood. He does support my somewhat more crazy adventures, the Retro Corner being one of them. And he noted in a previous video that I didn't have a solder stand. And although I'm pretty sure I have got one somewhere, yeah, that memory is not forthcoming. I can't find it. I've looked for it. I looked for it to do this video. So yeah, this is bloody great. Thank you very much, mate. So let's pop that together really quickly. Let's have a look. Is that going to go under there, through there? Yep, like that. And yeah, can do away with my heat-proof mat or slate coaster. Right, let's do that up. Give it a turn. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's gripping. Lovely. Super stuff. Be gone. And there we go. Pride of place there. Soldering iron stand. Proper job. Thank you very much, Kriston. Really appreciate that. So yeah, cheers. And I will crack on with this video, trying to work out what's going on. So when it's done, I'll link this video in the description. I will have a quick link to my video that Kriston posted on and spotted well, I hadn't got a holder, and very kindly said that he'd send me one, and he has. So thank you very much. And I'll pop that link in the corner. So thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again in another video soon.